I'm going to show you an AI agent play has the potential to be a big mover. 100x potential to do so. This is not financial advice. This is not for the weak. This is a high risk play. If you're going to invest in it, people can afford to lose. I'm talking about a project that goes by the name AI Agent Factory. Shout out to the team for sponsoring this. I like the look of it. The branding is tight. You know what I like about this one of all AI agent plays is that it gives the users who make an AI agent to monetize it. Do you know how much of a big thing that is? Because you might make the next big chat GPT. Cool, you've got this agent, but how do you make money off of it? If you could monetize it, you can make an absolute killing just from flipping, renting it out, or I don't know, whatever it is, allowing you to monetize it in a way where you can bring in a massive return. I like that. It says it's the first decentralized platform for creating, owning, and monetizing AI agents. Let's scroll down and have a look. AI innovation shouldn't be centralized. The AI revolution is here, and it's going to continue to be here as well. I told you through all of 2025, this is why you're seeing hot projects come out. But ownership remains centralized. So AIAF, that's a ticker symbol, AI Agent Factory, I think I'm saying it right, changes this by enabling the true ownership and monetization of AI agents through advanced blockchain technology. I don't think the other ones are allowing you to monetize. Like when I think about all the things I've spoken about with AI plays, like AI 16Z is great, it's going to kill it. You know, AI, Leah AI, Colin, they're great AI agents. But how does one, meaning myself, yeah, okay, I get the coin and I can hold the coin. How do I actually monetize to make money off of it? See, this is where this comes into play. It's unique. I'll give it that. 100% decentralized ownership. Enterprise. So hold on a minute. Because I've been hearing about how it's hard to get AI. You know when AI creates like images for you and videos and whatever it is, how do you own the intellectual property, the IP of what it's creating? Does this AI agent that you create, which can autonomously do things, can you start to, because it says monetize, can you start to make money through the things that, I'm going to have to read on. Let me just have a look. Read on. Hybrid compute network, right? It says powering the AI agent economy. Build your AI agents. Create a powerful AI agent using our no-code platform, so it's easy to do. Anyone can do it. Deploy custom solutions with enterprises-grade capabilities. Cool. It says mint your AI agent as NFTs on the blockchain. Full control ownership. Transparent governance. Cool. Multiple revenue streams. So generate revenue through agent subscriptions. API access. That's the part that allows you to put your AI agent onto websites. So here's the thing. You're going to get average people come into this game that want to do things autonomously, that don't know how to do stuff, that actually don't know how to do any of this, even though it's made simple for them. Like no code, you know, come along and tap it, it's done. Some people still don't have that. Like my mum wouldn't know how to do that, even though it's made simple. So someone can she could go to someone, make me an AI agent. They come over here, make the agent, and then they can give you the API access, whether you want it on your website, if you want it inside an app, whatever it is, as a customer service person that answers all questions, whatever it is, the support team. That's when you start to monetize and make money. Look, or direct sales in our marketplace. You can just sell the agent. Someone could just sit here. That's mad. Because you can't sell AI 16Z to another person. When you go on to, Virtual's Protocol, and you launch a brand new AI agent, you can sell the tokens, but you can't sell the agent. What if you make an advanced agent that can compete with something like ChatGPT, and then you want to sell it to someone like Google? You could just drop it on their marketplace and make a direct sell. Because there's probably intelligent people that can do stuff like that. It's not just them big tech giants that have got the heads. It's that guy sitting in the basement, in his mum's basement, that has the brain to make these agents. He can make a killing just sitting there. Enterprise grade infrastructure. Deploy on our hybrid. Hold on, guys, I'm my throat. Just got to get it out. This is your throat right there. You can't get it. Yeah. So deploy it on our hybrid compute network, combining professional GPU farms with decentralized nodes. So are you doing sort of like a blendr / node AI / kind of thing where people can rent GPU power as well? Because you says deploy on our hybrid compute network, combining professional GPU farms, which is essentially usually what it is. That's good if it is. It says AIAF combines cutting-edge blockchain technology with advanced AI infrastructure to create new paradigm in AI ownership. And I've never seen it before. I've never seen where you can monetize AI agents. Hybrid compute network, ZK sync error integration, dynamic NFT system, and decentralized governance. Cool. True ownership for full control. Yeah, pretty much said that. What is this? Why choose AIAF, right? Professional infrastructure, enterprise, grade, yeah, from the same things what I said before. Multiple revenue streams, which is cool. I do like that one a lot. Future-proof technology built on scalable, secure blockchain infrastructure. What network is it on? I don't even know. Is it on Solana? It's on Ethereum, right? So you can come over here to the Uniswap and grab it. I'll drop the link to the this in the info section. It's always there, you know. You come over, click it, come over, grab it if you want to grab some. Right now, 3.3 million. If it does a 10x, I think this is probably, it could probably 50 to 100x. 10x goes to 33 million, 100x is 338 million. So half of that is about 170 million. For a project that's basically sort of like it is an AI factory, an AI agent factory, just a built-in AI agent factory where you can do all of this stuff. What do you think? Drop your comments down below. I like this. You can just see it all printed, you know, because when you go into the factory, they just make it. It's a 3D printed. You know what I mean, right? It's cool. That's a catchy little brand right there. Technology. Advanced, yeah, I said that before. The site is very well done. You know, very well done. I like it. Very nice. Built-in scale performance, cool. And it just breaks it a bit more down here, like some of the things that it talks about: load balance computation, SLA, backed perform. You know, the in-depth, gritty stuff that people want to know on, right? I'm not going to dive too deep into all this. Next generation AI development: create sophisticated AI agents through our modular framework, enabling complex capabilities, right? So, yeah, hold on, what's this? Dynamic token, advanced tokenomics. Does it show? Hold on, let me come down on it. I thought it was going to show like the tokenomics side of the whole breakdown. I don't know if it's going to be here. Let me have a look. Our vote escrowed token system enables enhanced governance rights and platform benefits while ensuring long-term alignment. And it obviously just says there a few things, right? Secure and everything else. Sub-second compute initialization, 99% uptime SLA. What does SLA stand for? Someone drop it in the comments if you know. SLA. Something. I don't even know. I know I'm going to act like I don't know. And then they obviously got a little roadmap here, which you can see here. How far can I move it? It doesn't say anything. It just says phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. Global node expansion. If they're doing this whole, you can, because, you know, in order to have better AI agents or anything AI, you have to have the computational power. So if this is sort of got it all built in, then that's great. Look, they've got the docs here. You can click on. I'm clicking on. Here you go. And then it obviously explains a few more things in more detail. Maybe it'll tell me what this SLA means. I don't know. I'm going to have to look into it. Maybe I'll ask my AI agent. What does SLA mean? Just tell me. But the whole ownership part here, the AI ownership problem, that's a true thing. Like, you're going to create some amazing, sophisticated, like, whoever made Leah AI, the developer, right now he's not monetizing it. Yeah, you put it up on a website, we can all use it and listen and stuff, but there's no real monetization. How do you do it so people can use it on their own apps and stuff? And he says he's going to get on WhatsApp and everything else. This is where something like this will come into play. People will come over and actually build many types of AI agents for different things, whether it's for gaming, whatever it is, and this is where it comes into play, where you start to monetize. You know what? People might copy this flex. What's the framework? People might copy this flex. You might see other platforms and projects start to copy this flex where they start allowing you to monetize. Maybe that's the next level now. You made a great AI agent. It's fire. People want to use it. And then you just give it to everyone. I'm just looking to see if I can see anything that's noticeable with the whole... there's too much to read. There's so much on this project. Come over here, have a good read through. I was just seeing if it said anything like with the framework that they're using. I guess it's their own built-in one. So yeah, guys, I want to leave it here. I want to get up to you quick. Right now, 3.3 million. Was it helpful? Drop that like, give me a subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers. Never be defeated.